And today on Lulwa, we're having a talk back parrot. It imitates your voice. It imitates what you say. The incredible talking parrot that moves and repeats what you say to it. Talk back parrot. It imitates your voice. Speak to this incredible parrot and watch him talk back. The talking parrot will repeat what you say while flapping his wings and moving his body. It imitates what you say. So let's open this bird and have some fun! So now it's all assembled. And then you just try to take off this. And you get one. So now we have the batteries in. I just closed it. And now you just move some of the tail. Turn it on. Okay. Scared me! Hey, stop! And press. If the battery just keeps falling, you just take tape. Hey, Mama? You want to say something? So weird. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. So if you guys want another toy like this, please comment down below and tell me if you do. Bye, guys.